Dear students, how are you? Today we are going to discuss very short question of UNIT-8. First question. What is Bohr's quantization condition for angular momentum of electron in an atom? Bohr given a postulate according to which it is stated the electron can revolve only in those orbits whose angular momentum is multiple of h upon 2 pi, whole multiple of h upon 2 pi, and is a number we call main quantization number, that is 1, 2, 3. Name the series of the hydrogen spectrum which has least wavelength. Which one has least wavelength? Hydrogen spectrum having Lyman, Balmer, Parsons, bracket, Hall. So Lyman. Which one series? Lyman series. What is Bohr radius? The first orbit radius of hydrogen atom. First orbit radius of hydrogen atom is called Bohr radius. It is equal to 0.53 angstrom. Why is electron revolving around the nucleus? To provide stability of the nucleus. What it provides? Stability of a nucleus. How it provides the stability? It provides the stability if the electron is not revolving around the nucleus. What happens if it is stable? It is attracted toward the nucleus due to Coulomb's force, and atom would not have existed. What are thermal neutrons? Thermal neutrons are the neutrons which are able to initiate a nuclear fission reaction. Their energy is 0.025 electron volt to 5, and speed is 2200 meter per second. If the neutron occupies the energy of 0.025 electron volt and having a speed of 2200 meter per second, that is called thermal neutron. What is the binding energy per nucleon of most stable nucleus? Which one is the most stable nucleus? Iron 56, 26, Fe56, and its energy is 8.86 mega electron volt per nucleon. Name the reaction responsible for the energy production in Sun. The energy is giving us light energy from the crowd years. So, which one is reaction is possible? Thermonuclear fusion reaction. Name the series of hydrogen spectrum lying in the ultraviolet region. That is Lyman series. Name the series of hydrogen spectrum lying in the visible part. Which one is lying in the visible part? That is Balmer series. And 10th, name the series of hydrogen spectrum lying in the infrared. Lyman, Balmer, Parsons, bracket, and fold. Right? So these are the questions. बच्चों, हम आपको बोर्ड की प्रिपरेशन करा रहे हैं. आपको अच्छा लगे तो लाइक और सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर देना. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.